Ferrero Rocher is produced using a highly automated and carefully controlled process to ensure consistent quality and taste. The production follows multiple steps, from sourcing raw ingredients to packaging the final product. The process begins with gathering the best quality ingredients, including hazelnuts, sourced from Turkey, Italy, and other select regions. Cocoa, used in both the filling and chocolate coating, milk powder and sugar, to enhance the flavor of the creamy filling, wafers and oils, for the crispy shell and texture. Ferrero maintains strict quality control to ensure that only the finest ingredients are used. Hazelnuts are a key ingredient in Ferrero Rocher, used both as a whole nut inside and as part of the filling. The hazelnuts are sorted and cleaned to remove impurities. They are roasted at a precise temperature to bring out their natural flavor. The nuts are then cooled and stored under controlled conditions. Some hazelnuts are left whole for the center, while others are ground for the filling. The roasting process ensures that the hazelnuts retain their rich, nutty flavor. The crispy wafer shell is made using a special baking process. A batter is prepared from flour, sugar, and other ingredients. It is spread thinly and baked in large industrial ovens. The baked wafer is then cut into small circular pieces. These wafer pieces are molded into half spheres and cooled. These delicate wafers provide the signature crunch of Ferrero Rocher. The smooth, creamy filling inside Ferrero Rocher is made from a blend of hazelnuts, cocoa milk powder, and sugar. The hazelnuts are ground into a fine paste. Cocoa powder and other ingredients are mixed to create a velvety texture. The mixture is refined to ensure smoothness. The filling is stored in temperature-controlled conditions until needed. This creamy filling is essential for giving Ferrero Rocher its rich, indulgent taste. Now, the Ferrero Rocher chocolates start to take shape. One half of the wafer shell is placed in an assembly line. A layer of hazelnut and chocolate filling is added. A whole roasted hazelnut is carefully placed in the center. Another half of the wafer is placed on top, forming a complete sphere. This step ensures that every Ferrero Rocher contains a perfectly centered hazelnut. To ensure the chocolates maintain their shape, the wafer spheres are sealed using a thin layer of chocolate. They are briefly cooled to keep them intact. Any excess filling is removed. This step helps keep the chocolates firm before moving to the coating stage. The next step is coating the wafer ball in a delicious chocolate layer. The wafer balls are dipped in a melted chocolate bath. They are allowed to drip slightly to remove excess chocolate. This forms the first layer of chocolate coating. The chocolate helps bind the crispy hazelnut pieces in the next step. After the first chocolate coating, Ferrero Rocher gets its signature crunchy texture. The chocolate-coated spheres are rolled in finely chopped hazelnuts. The hazelnuts stick to the wet chocolate, forming an outer, crunchy layer. This step gives Ferrero Rocher its signature nutty coating. To complete the coating process, another layer of melted chocolate is applied. This locks the crushed hazelnuts in place. The chocolates are passed through a cooling tunnel to solidify the chocolate. This process ensures a uniform and smooth finish. After coating, the chocolates need to be hardened. The coated Ferrero Rocher chocolates move through a cooling tunnel. This step helps the chocolate set properly and maintain its shape. The cooling process ensures that each chocolate is firm and ready for wrapping. Proper cooling prevents melting and ensures a crisp texture. Before packaging, Ferrero Rocher undergoes strict quality control. Automated machines check for size, shape, and coating consistency. Defective chocolates, misshapen or undercoated, are removed from the production line. Only perfectly coated Ferrero Rocher chocolates move to the next stage. This ensures that every Ferrero Rocher meets the brand's high-quality standards. The chocolates are now ready for their signature gold foil wrapping. Each chocolate is individually wrapped using precision wrapping machines. The gold foil is applied tightly to protect freshness. A Ferrero Rocher sticker is placed on top to seal the wrapper. The gold wrapping is not just for decoration. It also protects the chocolate from air and light. After wrapping, the chocolates are arranged in trays. Each plastic tray holds multiple Ferrero Rocher chocolates. The trays are carefully inserted into gift boxes. The boxes are sealed and labeled for sale. Different packaging formats are used for individual chocolates, gift packs, and multi-layered boxes. Before being shipped, the chocolates go through a final inspection. Temperature and humidity levels are checked to ensure freshness. The packaged chocolates are stored in climate-controlled warehouses before shipping. This prevents chocolates from melting or losing quality before reaching customers. Finally, Ferrero Rocher is shipped worldwide. The chocolates are loaded into climate-controlled containers. They are shipped to supermarkets, confectionery shops, and online stores. The company ensures that the chocolates arrive fresh and intact. Ferrero Rocher is now available in over 170 countries, making it one of the world's most loved chocolates. After packaging, Ferrero Rocher chocolates are ready to be transported to distribution centers worldwide. Key processes in transportation include climate-controlled storage, where chocolates are stored in warehouses with controlled temperature and humidity to maintain freshness. Cold chain logistics involves special refrigerated trucks or containers to prevent chocolates from melting during transit. Tracking and inventory management ensures each shipment is monitored using tracking systems to ensure timely delivery. Ferrero ensures that chocolates remain in optimal condition from factory to store shelves. Once the chocolates arrive in different countries, they are distributed to various retail outlets including supermarkets and hypermarkets where they are placed in premium chocolate sections. In luxury and duty-free shops, they are often found in airports and high-end stores. Online marketplaces make them available through e-commerce platforms for home delivery. Specialty chocolate shops and gift stores sell them as luxury confectionery. Retailers follow FIFO, first in, first out, inventory management to ensure older stock is sold first, keeping products fresh for customers. Ferrero continuously monitors consumer preferences and feedback to maintain high product standards. Ferrero Rocher maintains its reputation by continuously improving the product based on consumer expectations.